So after natin ma-download, right click lang natin tong Adobe Lightroom, then WinRAR yung gagamitan natin pang bukas ng file, then extract to kung saan natin gustong ilagay. Password natin is 123. So open natin yung location na pinaglagyan natin, dito natin nilagay. Double click, then hanapin natin tong this image file, right click lang natin, then mount. After mount, ito na, buksan natin tong Adobe 2024. So set up, right click, then run as administrator. Yes. So default lang yung location natin. Lunch. So ito na guys, ang ating Lightroom Classic 2024.